Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Labdans. I'm going to very interesting place today, Lal Bagh. It is 20 kilometers far from Nehru Halli where I stay. It is very popular in Bangalore and I haven't visited yet. I got time to visit over there. If I go by metro then it will take around 40 to 60 minutes, or if I go by like taxi or bike, it's depend on traffic, but still it will take 60 to 70 minutes. So best and cheapest option is that to go by metro, so I will go by metro. Just I am way to go metro station. That's near, it's only 1 kilometer from my room. I am on the way to go metro station. I will show to you. Be in my blog. Do not forget it to subscribe if you are new here. Let's meet on metro station to you. I have reached Nehru Halli metro station, but I don't know how to go. Just I need to ask everything to ticket counter person. They will tell us to how to go over there. It is my ticket of metro which cost 80 rupees from Nehru Halli to Lal Bagh. I have to change it metro from Majestic railway station and I have to go platform number 2. It is platform number 2. This is way to go. I am waiting at Nehru Halli metro station at platform number 2. Train will arrive very shortly, as far as I know, because it's within 1-2 minutes. Metro come very frequently, so let's get on that. Finally I have reached Lal Bagh metro station. Now I have to look on my Google that where is the route and how to go Lal Bagh, because as you know I have already mentioned it that I haven't been over there. Let me see on Google, then I will tell to you. It is ticket of Lal Bagh entry which cost 50 rupees. There are different age group rate. I am come under adult, so it's 50 rupees. If you have children then around you have to pay 20 rupees, or with couples 100 rupees, or different like rate are written over there. And look at that, it is entry gate of Lal Bagh. At Lal Bagh, at the entry gate, it is like that, beautiful circle like flowers, and lots of plants are there in this park, and you can also drink water if you are getting thirsty. I am getting thirsty, so I am going to drink it. I do not know about it is fresh water or not, but it seems fresh because it is mineral water as it seems. And one interesting thing are there, we enter from Lal Bagh west gate, so it is road map of Lal Bagh. You can read over there. It is everything is written what is in this park and what you can see. And if you got confused anywhere, you can pause my video and see everything. It is road map of Lal Bagh. Everything is mentioned in this board. You can read and explore. So I have taken photo of it. If I got confused anywhere, just I will open it and I will see it. Look at beauty of this place, this park, how beautiful it is. I can't tell you, and you also can't imagine by camera, but really it is a very beautiful place, very peace. It is Lal Bagh waterfall. as you can see, and it is also written over there. And there is also one pounder there. Look at that. It is very beautiful. It is something which is mad in Lal Bagh Park. It looking like it is a path. It is a very narrow place. I think it is a exit gate of Lal Bagh, but I do not want to exit it. I haven't explored these places. I need to explore little bit more. It is very beautiful. It was seen. That's why I am making vlog for you, video for you. I am in this park since last 3 hours. It is a 4 kilometer area spread. This park, it is very big. Even 3 hours, I think I left something. I could not visit some places, but that's fine. I am feeling very tired. I am going to my room. If you like, then please subscribe it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel because it's a very small channel. I need your support. Bye.